really embarrassing. I'm only cooking dinner for one, but I guess I can show you how I be making my dinner. Was that good?
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am just gonna be cooking something real easy, real simple. Something that you make when like, you just need something easy and simple, you feel me? That's what we're gonna do. So I'm just making some shrimp and salmon with some mashed potatoes, homemade. Fuck. So yeah, I posted on my Instagram story. I was like, y'all want the recipe? I don't really have a recipe because I just kind of came up with it on the fly. Like, it's, you know, I'm just so genius that I just been thinking about shit like that on the fly. So I'm gonna give me a glass of wine. We can get started cooking, baby, okay? You know we got the barefoot box wine. I feel like that shows my age. I'm such a fucking kid. Now I got me a fresh wine glass from the dishwasher. Cheers. Clink, 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 clink. Okay, so we're gonna start with our potatoes because those are like the potatoes of the meal. You know, people say it's the meat and potatoes. It's the potatoes and meal. So I need to go ahead and peel them. We can peel these potatoes real quick. You know when you just move somewhere and then you just never buy things you need, like a potato peeler? I don't got one, so we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way. And yeah, just peel potato because I don't like russet potato skin. I wouldn't mind if these was like a Yukon Gold potato, but you know we got this russet potato and these be kind of dirty. Be kind of dirty.
I'm dying. Help me.
Now I'm about to cut my potatoes on a plate because I don't got no chopping board, cutting board. I don't have a cutting board yet. Whenever I go to the store, it just slips my mind to purchase one. So we're done on the plate. Fuck it. I have my potatoes, both of them peeled and ready to go. But I'm gonna chop them one at a time because, like I said, we on this plate. So the goal here is just to cut them into like smaller pieces so that we can go ahead and get them to be boiled in water that's already set aside and heavily salted, and it's being brought to a boil right now. I know I said I'll come back when it was cooked, but I'm here realizing that the better way to cut them is like this. So if you want to cut them, you should cut them like this instead. That was stupid. Here I am telling y'all to, you know, do better than me. Now I feel like I didn't put enough water in here, but I'm a rookie, y'all. I just be making what feel good and I don't have no like rhyme or reason. So yeah, I think the water's about to come to boil now. So we can go ahead and pop our potatoes in. You know, carefully, girl. We don't want no mishaps. And like I said, the water is heavily salted. That's key. For some reason. I don't know why. So we're gonna let these go until they're fork tender. So we're just gonna let them, you know, do their thing in here and we can go on and move on to the other stuff, okay? So now it's shrimp time. I got my shrimp already peeled in the veins. I like to make sure my fish is really rinsed out because I noticed, hold on. My hair's messed up. I'll fix it in a second. I noticed that like if you don't you get that like fishy taste and that's not good. So I'm just over here rinsing my shrimp out like double time, triple time because I don't want no fishy ass shrimp. I also got a little strip of salmon. We're gonna rinse this off as well and pat it dry. The wheat man here. Be back, y'all. Okay, now we got our fish here. In the words of Stovetop Kisses, we season both sides because we eat both sides. So I have garlic salt, I got some adobo, I got some seasoned salt, I got some Tony's, and I got some Slap Your Mama. And that's what I season all my food with, everything. Every last thing in this meal is gonna get seasoned with those seasonings. You wanna have like a seasoning hand and a dirty hand because you don't want to contaminate anything. So right now my hands is clean, so I can use whatever hand. But make sure you like remember that. And I'm also gonna season the shrimp in this little bowl right here. Not a lot of salt because we already have all this. And then I'll use my hand. That's gonna be my new hand now. So it's my hand now. And I'm just gonna pat it in to the salmon so you know it's thick and we all seasoned up and period. Oh, actually I need to add some pepper. Dirty hand. I'm not gonna touch nothing. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon pepper to both of these as well. Okay, and then we'll flip this over and do the other side. Ooh, you see me almost in my hand? Not today. How you're gonna know your potatoes are getting done is when you can go ahead and poke them with a fork and then they're fork tender. And I think I'm cooking mine a little too long, but there you go. They should go like this. I cooked mine a little too long. Don't be like me. I fucked up. I never got to get the shrimp a little stir, so that's what I'm gonna do. I use a lot of butter, y'all, and I don't got no time for nobody to talk about me because I just like butter and I'm gonna keep using the butter because I like it. So let's go get this fat ass stick of butter to put in this pan. I'm gonna get just a tablespoon though for now. Get that right in the middle, and then once that gets to melting, we can put the salmon in. But for now, we can get started on our potatoes. We got our potatoes in our bowl. Now we can go ahead and get to mashing. I bought a potato masher just for this. Clean ass potato masher. Okay, we're just gonna mash these potatoes. If you don't got no masher, that's cool. Just use a fork. This is a lot easier. This is brand new, y'all. I've been using a fork. I don't watch nobody else do nothing. I just be kind of doing what feels right. So if you got a major mashed potato recipe that I don't know about, bitch, I'm sorry, man. It's how I do it, okay? I'm gonna throw in some almond milk. No measurements, just vibes. A tablespoon of sour cream. Need to give my my shit a stir real quick. Sour cream. And then we're gonna season like how I would season other stuff. A lot of garlic. Okay, now I'm gonna give it all a little stir. I did not add no butter. We need some butter in this bitch. I don't know how I forgot the butter, y'all. That's what I was just talking about. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons, but I'm gonna do it in small pieces so that it melts better. But so far, it's already looking really good before I even add the butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the salmon in here skin side down. Move the butter a little bit. Pan is hot, and you want it to be hot so that when it gets on here, it'll sear a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and let that cook. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flip her over. She's seeming like she's doing her thing. Oh, she a little burnt, but that's okay. So I'm not gonna burn the other side. I'm gonna turn the heat down. No, she a lot burnt actually. Fuck, I'm fucking up, y'all. That's the underside. Ain't nobody worried about that. And then that's our salmon right there. She looks delicious. She looks great. She a little burnt, but she gonna be delicious. It's gonna be amazing. Now I'm gonna add more butter to the pan and get started cooking these shrimp. This one needs to get a little sear on them. And then we're gonna make our sauce for it on top of the mashed potatoes and the salmon. Shrimp are done, and now we have our clear pan. I'm gonna add another tablespoon of butter, maybe a tablespoon and a half too. I'm gonna add a little dollop of minced garlic for the vibes, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of whole milk and a dollop of sour cream. I'm taking off the heat a little bit just so I can, you know, give it a second to make itself. And you just want to stir until like things get mixy. A little bit of Tony's because everything else is kind of seasoned. It has garlic in it, so I don't think we need too much going on here. Just a little bit of this. So this is the sauce for the top of the stuff. And then now we can make our plate. I brought the light over here for this plating moment, so I hope you guys appreciate it. So let's get our plate ready. I'm gonna use a big boy today. I love these plates. Plates are from Walmart. I think they came in a set. I don't know. They might have not, but I think they came in a set. If there's a leak for it, I'll ask mom. She got them for me. I'll see. But it don't look like I'm just eating on my counter. Crazy. Okay, I'm not the plate. Okay, now mashed potato time. Just get a nice little pile going. Boom, right there. All my shit cold now. I went outside for a little smoke break, but I'm gonna heat it up. I ain't eating no cold food now. Look a little. One thing I hate when I'm watching cooking videos or like people posting pictures of their food, like I just hate when they shit look cold. So like you gonna see some steam off my shit in a minute. Now we got our almost burnt salmon. I'm using my nails because this is my food and not yours. You can oh my god, look how perfectly that's cooked. Wow. I'm trying to plate it differently. Yeah, okay. Boom. Shrimp. Boop. Bop. Bam. Bop. Boop. Mmm. Yes. Already. Wow, looking delicious. Okay, now we got our heated food. Let me move this out the way. Okay, now we got our food. We got our sauce now. I noticed I did add a little too much butter, y'all. Okay, I admit it. Butter don't make butter sometimes. So I'm trying to mix this shit together a little bit more. I think the sauce is really the best part. And then now you can't be a chef without some final touches. You feel me? We can't be no type of chef without no parsley. Come on, let it rain. Yeah. This looks like an Instagram plate now. I'm gonna get a little spin around for y'all. So there we go. This is the meal. That's my air freshener. This is something quick and easy for the girls. Where's the steam at? My plate ain't steaming. I gotta put it back in the microwave, and this ain't even right. Hold on. I said one thing we're gonna do on this channel is get a steamy plate. Let's see it. You see it? I don't know if y'all can see it. Shit better be steamy now. Wow. I made that, y'all. It's not steaming, it don't look like, but I know it's hot as fuck. It gotta be. Gotta be, y'all. I promise it's hot. So, yep, that's how I make my food. Let me close out with a thumbnail. Let me get my thumbnail. Okay, so here's the final thing. Here's my thumbnail. So everybody knows that I cooked and I made it, and it's what I made. It's mine. I did it. I should get my bite. I should get my first bite in front of y'all. Okay, first bite for the people. I don't got no dining room table yet. I just moved in here, so we eating off the chest. All right, I'm gonna get this corner right here since it's right here for y'all. Ooh, this salmon. Let me get a bite with the shrimp too. Okay. Ooh, it's steaming. It's steaming. This shit look hot as fuck. Okay. All right. First bite. For real. I don't even want to talk about it yet. I want to get another bite. And there you have it, folks. That's how you cook an amazing dinner. I don't got nothing else to say. That shit good as fuck. I need it in this so I can go eat it. I have nothing else to say to y'all. Thanks for watching. This should be a little series on my channel. I'm gonna cook stuff. I'll be cooking. Yes, I'm gonna be cooking. Hopefully y'all fuck with it. We keep cooking together. I'm gonna try to like make a fake little recipe in the... No, I'm not, y'all. I'm not making no recipe for this. This is real easy. All I did was sear some salmon and some shrimp, make some mashed potatoes. Nah. When I get real complicated, I'm trying to leave it in recipes and stuff. So I hope y'all got... If y'all comment and say y'all want a recipe, I'll leave a recipe. But like, it's easy. I'm finna eat this shit. It's literally 11 o'clock at night. And I'm finna tear down. I love y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. More content on the way. Clean, 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 clean. Bye, beautiful.